doing a dump run. Gotta take an old lawnmower, old crap, all that used oil, tranny fluid, cleaning up all this crap. Old refrigerator's going. Another converter needs to go. Got a bunch of crap off the shelves, so this is gonna be good. With all this other crap removed, like where all the oil was, I should be able to get everything tucked away so I can get the engine stand out. That's like my main goal, is to clear a path for the engine hoist to go to the front of the car. But this really needed to be done. It's like 22 gallons or something like that of used oil. Checking all your cool stuff up there.
One day them gonna be worth money, man. Someone probably already is.
So I got mostly metal, one mini fridge, motor oil, and a lawnmower. It's all like metal recycling stuff, but there's one.
Ain't got no gas oil into it.
No, I drained it. And there's one wooden shelf broken down. So.
Go back to Bay Tree, brother.
Oh, in that way?
Yeah.
Okay. All clean. My refrigerator with stickers. I think it's that time. I think I have enough room. The spoiler looks like it's going to be fine. It's high enough. I've got a lot of stuff moved, so I think I should be fine to get the hoist over here, and I'll get that all set up. And then just got to do the engine mount bolts. And I figured once I get the engine start lifting up, I'm going to do that power steering line. It's really a pain to get to, so I'm going to lift it up and then get it. There it is. Just get a mental image of that now. Being clean. So while it's out, I'm gonna finalize. Yeah. He's working on his lighting and finally figured it out. Gonna get the harness all fully dialed in, get it figured out perfect. And re-clean this, re-torque the engine mounts, make sure they're still tight. And just clean, make sure it's all pretty. Swap. You know, this water pump was brand new. I don't know why it's so nappy now, but clean that up, clean up the accessories. Get that put on here after I get my other heads back, put the new heads on. And then, yeah, just take what I need off of this. And then this engine is basically gonna be left for a rebuild, I don't know. Take the motor mounts. I was thinking of, since this is the long crank 6.0, can't really tell on this versus that. I'll have to investigate. It almost looks the exact same. Maybe this is supposed to be a long crank because the heads are iron, but I'll have to investigate. But if it is, I'd probably just maybe buy a rotating assembly from Summit, like the forged crank and pistons and stuff like that, and have this as a full, complete, brand new rebuild, just to do on the side. But that won't happen. I just tripped on my freaking engine hoist. That'll be a long time. Anyways, I'm going to clean up this area, get the engine hoist back, and it helps that I totally got rid of a whole bunch of stuff. And check out the tires and the hubcaps on the Impala. Go over here so you guys can see it. It looks so much better with the clean hubcaps on there. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up, push the car back in, and call it a day. Oh, Caleb wants to see his wiring management.
Tucked. Wire tucked.
What? Wire tucked. Oh yeah, that looks nice right there.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you wanted to show off?
Now there's 6 extra more that weren't in there before.
All for your headlights?
All for those little side ones.
This will be ready by the time the transmission gets here.